Hey folks, pretty good rain in the eastern part of the valley earlier today, but that has since moved out. Some stuff out west a few minutes ago, but that's pretty much gone as well. So we watch Future Track and it says, yeah, maybe something pops up this evening in the west, but for the most part, it's a dry night across the area. So we go into your Thursday and notice you see stuff firing up during the daytime again. I don't know that it'll be as busy as yesterday, but I think there will be scattered showers around and an embedded thunderstorm within that. Nothing severe, but if you get rained on, you can pick up a quick inch of rain like yesterday in some places, like the day before in some places. Different place each day, but a quick inch of rain is a possibility. Many areas, though, just see the big dark cloud off on the horizon and say, huh, not my turn today. Here's your rain chances, 30, 30, 20 the next 3 days. We've kind of taken it down a little bit as we head toward the weekend, but at night, each night, your chance stands at about 20%. Can't rule an isolated shower out during the nighttime hours either. But again, I think we're trending down. We're just a little bit in terms of how much coverage we have with the rain. These are the current temperatures, 96 in Rio, 91 McAllen, 89 in Weslaco right now. Same thing in Brownsville, Port Isabel is 88 in the island, cooler at 84. Overnight tonight, we bottom out in the mid-70s, except at the beach, about 80 degrees for your low there. And then tomorrow, well, here we go again, back in the 90s with slightly less rain around. Temperatures get just a little warmer, 93 in the middle part of the valley. You head to the coast, about 86 at the island. Your out the door forecast looks like this. You wake up in the morning, step outside at, let's say 6 a.m. If you get up that early, 76 degrees. Coolest reading of the day because it goes up from there into the 90s by afternoon with those spotty thunder showers around the area. The normal high now is up to 95, and we're looking at 93, 93, 94 the next 3 days, so almost getting up to normal, but not quite. Quick check on the watershed. There's been a little bit of rain out in the watershed today, but you think we're kind of out of the drought here in the valley. But if you look at these numbers, Falcon Lake's only 31.1% of capacity. Here's where it was a year ago, 37.9, so it's dropped more than 8%, or about 6% rather, in the last year. And if you look at Amistad, it's at 58.2. A year ago it was 81.8. So both lakes on the low end of things. Checking the tropics, if there's something there to make a difference in the reservoirs, and right now, nothing at all. Atlantic, Pacific, neither side, very quiet out in the Atlantic Ocean. The two systems we were watching earlier in the week, one down here, one off the East Coast, are done. So, or at least for the next 5 days, we're not going to see anything in the tropics at all. Summer begins on Saturday, about 94 for a high. Father's Day, about 95, 20% chance of rain each day of the weekend. And at the island, you're looking at about 87 both days of the weekend. Partly sunny skies. Can't rule out a brief shower. So tonight, partly cloudy, mild and muggy, 76 for a low. Tomorrow, back to 93 with spotty showers and a thunderstorm around. Southeast winds tomorrow about 10 to 20. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Again, summer kicks off on Saturday afternoon. Sunday, both days of the weekend. Father's Day could be an isolated shower or thunderstorm. Your chance of rain for the weekend stands at about 20% for both days. Next week, we're keeping that chance in there. In fact, we may go up a little bit by the middle part of the week, but it's just spotty stuff. It's that summertime pattern now where you start to see scattered showers pretty much each afternoon along the sea breeze. That's your updated First Warn 5 AccuWeather forecast.